What's good, y'all? It's your boy Zach, and I'm here to react to that Reborn as a vending machine. You know, I want to start this new anime, go and put it in the series so I can have more anime to react to. Y'all, I was running out. But yeah, Zom 100 end up, I think they end up doing a little delay or something. I don't know what happened, y'all, but I was ready to react to it, but it didn't come out this week. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and react to this vending machine, go and catch up. Then I might react to some Overlord, go and catch up to that. Got a whole bunch of animes in the list that I'm gonna catch up to, y'all. So yeah, it's gonna be going down. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this reaction. Oh, this is a dub version. No, bruh, no, he ain't about to risk his life for a vending machine, bruh. No, he just didn't do that for him. And that was quick. What was that?
What's going on? Why can't I move? Someone help me, please! Hello there. Did I hear my own voice just now?
What the heck?
Calm down. Thank you very much. Yup, that's my voice. I look forward to serving you again. I recognize this spiel. I've heard those words countless times. You I'm a huge fan of any and all vending machines. Everyone knows they're my passion. I could never mistake that.
I have passion gonna be your vending machine. That's it. This show's starting out stupid. I see they're gonna mix it up and make him wander around in the dungeon. You actually happy about this?
I'm fully stocked with reasonably priced goods, and my new rectangular body is the perfect combination of elegance and functionality.
Oh my goodness, he is ridiculous.
This can't be happening. Becoming a vending machine is the worst. Or is it? Being reborn is the thing I love. Could this be some sort of gift from the divine? Well, there's no changing what I am now.
You might as well just sit there and wait for some customers to come by.
Hello there. Thank you.
Why they put him in the middle of a lake then?
Forward to serving you again. You could even win a reward. Too bad. You win. Please insert coins. Are those phrases all I can say? I wonder what else I can do. You're a vending machine. Focus. The comment. Show
Well, you better power up already, episode 1.
Oh, in my brain. Wait, I don't have a brain. A bunch of text and numbers popped up in my mind. Are these
None of these powers quick.
There are only two types.
You can use your points to change your current inventory.
Really?
I swear.
That must be what
Oh, that's gonna be cold if he used that, right?
You may spend points to replenish or make changes to your stocked goods.
Oh, that's gonna be cold. Somebody gonna take advantage of that.
I did some investigating on my own. It seems spending points not only lets me keep items hot or cold, it also lets me do things like heat up frozen food and even add hot water to cup ramen on demand. I might as well test out my other functions and check out what kind of items I can sell. Oh, it looks like I have everything I could buy from the vending
Cold
machine
milk,
back home.
plain tea.
By spending 10 points to switch one of my items to cold milk tea.
Oh, that's cold. Yeah, I don't care what y'all say. That's cold.
Good price. It says here I can turn 100 yen into 1 point. All right, time to see what else I can do. After experimenting a little bit more, I realized one important
You might as well. You got a long wait.
my new body doesn't run on electricity. Instead, it seems I consume points to keep myself powered on.
Oh,
I use 1 point an hour, so I need 24 points a day to function, which means I have to sell at least 2,400 yen worth of product every day. I still have nearly 1,000 points, so I can run for about a month, but I shouldn't waste any points until I can get a steady income.
okay, fair enough.
Will I actually get any customers out here?
Yeah, he in a terrible spot.
Nobody's come by!
Yeah, they started him off in a terrible spot. Give it some. I'm gonna say, give it some water. I don't know. You might want some water. Oh, you finna get attacked.
Hi there. Hold on, stop.
3 damage. Durability has been decreased by 3.
What's durability?
When your durability is exhausted, the vending machine will break and become unusable.
Oh, that's insane.
How many do I have left? There it is. These must be my stats. Everything with durability and toughness is 0.
That's ridiculous.
Machine doesn't need those stats. Wait, magic? Does magic exist in this world?
You can spend points in order to restore your durability.
That's good. I still have about 900 points left. Maybe I can get through this.
He calling for some help to beat it.
I don't want to get hit by that. There has to be some sort of self-defense function in here somewhere. Let's see.
That'd be cool if he do got in. That'd be ridiculous.
Winner roulette? I can't use any of these. Come on, there's got to be something I can do to get out of this.
2 damage. Durability has been decreased by 2.
Oh, damn it. I need help.
Durability has been decreased by 4.
Blessing. What's this?
It's a special power granted by a god. You may acquire a blessing without spending any of your points.
Oh, that's cool. You better hurry up and use it. Pop it off. They beating the crap out of here.
Can I even use swordsmanship or martial arts? Last time I checked, I don't have any arms or legs. There has to be something else.
Barrier. Employs an invisible.
Oh, come on. You got a barrier.
What objects are allowed through?
Yeah, I picked that one.
Oh, we got saved.
Oh, the invincible vending machine. I look forward to serving you again. Wait a second. How come I'm losing so many points so quickly?
Ooh.
Give it up, guys. All you're doing is wasting your time and my points.
Oh, they gave up. He got lucky.
Might as well get my durability back now. There. Good as new. I've got 311 points left. I can still last over 10 days. But unless somebody buys something, my points will dry up and I'll run out of power. What happens after that? Will I die? What a tragically short life. Or I suppose a short operating time. Anybody, please help me! It would have been pretty cool to sell at least one thing before dying.
There's no use trying to hide from me.
Oh, she about to. I thought she about to go and beat him up again.
I'm starving.
Starving. Oh, that's the word right there.
Right? Why is this kind of thing always
Gonna serve up a couple ramen.
with all my food in it? It's my fault. I should have listened. My nerves are right. I'm not cut out to be a hunter.
What's she talking about?
I have to defeat frog beans for their meat. For some reason, my attacks don't hit when I'm by myself, and I just want to take a nap. Things will be better if I at least have some food. Wait,
All right, right in front of you. Gonna get you a couple ramen, couple milk,
looks like some kind of
some water.
metal. The shape is really cute.
Oh, they don't know about vending machines?
Drinks behind the glass. There's a bunch of writing, but I can't read.
Hello there.
Wait, what was that voice? Where'd it come from?
Please insert coins.
How is it talking? Also, it wants money. Would a copper coin work? Maybe it has to be at least silver. What if it needs gold? If I even had that on me. It said something about inserting coins. I guess it can't hurt to put in a copper and see what happens.
He got so lucky. I know he on his last day.
Looks like a copper coin.
Oh, a copper coin don't work.
That is an unsupported currency. If you acquire the coin conversion function, you can accept it.
For real? Hold on just 1 second. Oh, there it is. I can swing 100 points. I didn't increase the prices, but the numbers went up all the same.
Huh? Why did the number change? 1,000 OWA? silver coin.
So this world's unit of currency is called an O.
It's expensive, but I need food for my belly.
I'm about to bang!
Hey, you got a word now.
Want me to push something? Wow, there's a picture of soup on here.
You don't get that soup that wrong.
What was that? Something came out. It's not gonna fall down if I reach my hand in, right?
I wouldn't do that. So hurry up and take it. I highly recommend this brand of corn soup.
It's so warm.
Hakuma cream soup? That sound nasty.
It smells good. Wow, what is this? It's so tasty. I wouldn't want Mrs. to hear this, but it's way better than the food I had in town.
I swear, that's an insult. Letting the vending machine outdo your cooking. That's insane.
Oh man, drank everything already. I bet the other stuff in there is tasty too. The clear-looking ones are probably water, and I already know what that tastes like, so I'll try out the light brown drink next.
It seems she took a liking to the milk tea as well.
Milk tea?
Corn soups, along with a bottle of water. I earned 6 silver coins and 30
I thought it was just milk.
different OWA, which means I got back 63 points.
You got 63 points, or you get to live a little longer.
A full stomach must have broken the tension she was holding. As soon as she finished eating, she fell asleep. She's a bit of an odd one, but she's my best customer. Don't worry, I'll keep you safe with my barrier. The trash cleans itself up. I'm gonna be the most advanced vending machine in this other world.
Heck yeah.
Looks like I fell asleep. Well, good thing no monsters showed up. I ended up spending a whole bunch. But I'm feeling a lot better now. And it's all thanks to you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
It just talked.
You. That's right. I forgot that you can talk. Or maybe, are you only able to say certain phrases? I actually know someone who's inventing tools that have magical power inside them. I wonder if you're something similar. If you can understand what I'm saying, then I'd like it if you said something. Anything.
Hello there.
Yes, I knew
And
it.
I guess they can make conversation out of those words.
Oh, I haven't told you my name yet. You can call me Lamis.
Llamas, huh? Has a nice ring to it.
I got it. How's this sound? Whenever you want to say yes, you can just say hello there, and we'll use a different phrase to mean no.
Too bad.
Okay. Is that what you want to use for no then?
Hello there.
Yes, huh? Perfect.
I bet.
Can you tell me?
They can work with that.
Too bad.
That's okay. So, what are you doing out here all alone? Are you on some sort of important?
No, she didn't just ask him.
I know you're not being too forward. Are you?
Ask him a full question.
Hello there.
I thought that was the case. For some reason, you looked lonely. Would it be okay with you if I moved you somewhere else?
Hello there.
That's awesome. I was thinking about bringing you back and showing you to heal.
No, she ain't about to lift this big old heavy machine.
Hello there.
You're cool with it? Great. Give me just a second.
But he got lucky with it.
Up we go.
Are you for real? I have to weigh at least 500 kilograms.
Whoa, you're heavier than you look.
And she laughed about it. Man, lifting that vending machine like it's nothing. What the heck?
Thank you for saving me. Apparently, Llamas has a blessing called the blessing of might.
Might?
Suppose that explains why she's so incredibly strong.
That's cold. What in the world?
I'm just gonna take a short break here. I'm starting to get hungry. I wonder if I can buy more of the tasty yellow soup.
The thing is, corn soup isn't all that filling. Oh, what else could I stock? Oh, how about that?
That surprised me. Glowing. Did you change your items? What is that? Could it be food?
Chips?
I thought it might.
Chips ain't all that filling neither. She might well drink that cacao shrimp or whatever it was. Man, he about to get his girl diabetes eating all them chips, dog.
Thanks to that, I'm back up to 320 points. Next, I want to try to adjust the price of mineral water. It'd be great if I could offer it for less, but my life kind of depends on it.
We should reach the entrance of this stratum soon.
Stratum?
After that, we'll take a break in a nearby village.
Oh, that's gonna be cold. Especially if that village big. Oh, she know him. I bet. Oh, swear, what in the world? Yeah, what in the world? Yeah, see now I'm confused. Hello there. You know, you gotta say it quick. Kacha Kadane. Oh, they drinking that cacao soup. Oh, he finna make a killing. Go and put that in the middle of the city. Me village. He got lucky that he just got a character with might now that can carry a vending machine.
I've had enough of your crying. You're wasting our time here. You're just making things worse.
Oh, they beating up on his little kid.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
I should ask you the same, because it looks like a bunch of nasty-looking thugs are ganging up on a helpless girl.
Bet you think you're some kind of hero, don't you? This'll teach you to butt in. You got no one but yourself to blame, Missy.
Oh, she can't. Wait, what? Oh, she did say she missed every attack.
You up easy, but next time you're done. I look forward to serving you again.
Not again. None of my hits landed. They didn't hurt you, did they? Are you all right? Yes. All thanks to you. Huh? Oh, missus! I'm home. Thomas, you made it back.
Sorry about that.
So worried for you. I'm sorry, missus. Thomas, I missed you.
Oh, she popular around this town. God dang.
I'm not dreaming, am I? You're not. It's really me, Moonami. I was afraid I'd never see you again. Sorry. When I asked the returning hunters, they said they ran off and left you by yourself.
They cold for that. I said they cold for that. They trash for that.
You'll be able to find work again.
They cold hearted.
Anyway, what's that? I found it by the lake. You brought back another weird artifact. This one's different. He's surprisingly useful, and he helped me out when I was in a bind. So you're going back to the surface to show it to
Everybody, look at that carrying around this dang vending machine, bruh.
A transfer circle, huh? Apparently that's a thing in this world. Also, Llamas' lack of funds is kind of my fault. Oops.
Sorry, Bouchin. You'll just have to work at our inn to earn your fare. How about this? Why don't we keep the box you found outside? It can sell its wares and attract customers.
Hello there.
It really can speak. Good. It'll drum up business.
And so, I found myself a new home right in front of the inn.
Oh, in front of an end? That's an end? Oh, he didn't hit the gold mine.
I quickly gained popularity since my goods were unlike anything they had seen before. Then, night fell. Llamas would carry me over to a safe place near the gate. I'm feeling kind of thirsty. I'm getting tired of this election. Well, that's because you're buying at least 5 of them every night. I suppose I could switch up my stock.
Yes, you could. How rich he didn't got? I know he didn't got rich.
After all the business I've been getting recently, looks like I've saved up over 3,000 points. Great! What should I add? One should always keep the customer's needs in mind first. I've got just the thing. All the items are different. Whoa, this one costs 3 silver coins. But at that price, it has to be good.
God dang.
What? How do you open this thing? Look, are those pictures? Those must be instructions. This item became famous in a certain electric town back home, so the manufacturer added meticulous instructions so even tourists could enjoy it.
What?
Sure smells good.
What is that?
What? This is amazing. It might be my new favorite. What ingredients?
What? It's just a whole soup?
The flavor in it is so complex yet incredibly light. Damn. Put alcohol now. Scooch over a bit. Hold on. I was gonna buy something else. Totally hooked. I got plenty more where that came from. My goods only got more popular. Word soon got around about the canned odor, which caused a bit of an uproar in the village.
God dang, he sold that. He finna be rich.
What's more, the sports drink I added to my stock was also selling.
Oh, the sports drink? What, Gatorade or Powerade? Which one are you selling?
Most of its business and never want to step on any toes. Instead, I help attract guests. Isn't this the girl Mama saved in the alley the other day?
Excuse me?
Hello there.
I wanted it to first so we'd have the advantage in negotiations.
Stop that! What was that about?
Nah, for real.
When the sun starts to set, Lamas carries me over to the gate. She said moving me around like before was inconvenient, so she bought a wooden frame that she could put on her back.
That thing is strong.
About to burst.
I'll be heading back now. A guest came by the inn today and told me tons of interesting stories.
Hello there.
How are things on your side?
You could even win a reward.
I hope someday you and I can have a real conversation. That's one of the reasons I want to hurry and save up so we can go see Hulaby.
Thank you very much.
You don't have to thank me. Don't forget it. You were the one who saved me, Boxo.
Boxo?
It's kind of weird to keep calling.
Boxing.
What do you think?
You win.
Glad you like it. Here's to the future, Boxo.
Yeah, I can't wait to see where this anime go. It's
Ridiculous says
it's different. Okay. Yeah, as long as he keep cracking jokes, it'll be alright. Yeah, that was episode 1 of Reborn as a Vending Machine. And yeah, so far I enjoyed episode 1, man. It's very different. There ain't too much I don't know, it's different. It's different. We're gonna see where it go. Dude, cause so far so good. I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna have to look at episode 2. And yeah, man, I'll see y'all later on the next reaction gameplay or whatever. And yeah, I see y'all later. I said I see y'all later.